Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change your age on your TikTok account, because I noticed a lot of people always use their wrong birthday and don't know how to update it. Now before we move to the next step, kindly make sure you already have an email account ready because you need it to reset your birth date. Now an email will be sent to you in 4 days after your appeal so you can change your age. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.